What is going on? This is Altone, and this is the Holystone HS420. Over the last couple of weeks, I've had the absolute pleasure of flying this Holystone HS420 around my office and just practicing with it and just having a ball with it. Holystone did send this to me for me to try out. I truly appreciate Holystone for doing so, but this is a great little drone if you want to get started, and it's extremely durable. Not only that, but it also actually has a camera built into the drone so that you can capture photo and video. First of all, what comes in the box with the Holystone HS420? In the box, you get the drone, the Holystone HS420. You also get the transmitter, which has a range of about 330 feet or 200 meters. 3 batteries, which are 300 milliamp hour 1S LiPo batteries with a 60-minute charging time, a USB charging cable, a full set of extra propellers, a propeller removal tool, and a mini screwdriver, because you'll need this to remove the prop guards if you're going to replace the props on your Holystone HS420. So the total rated flight time from Holystone on the Holystone HS420 is about 6 minutes per fully charged battery. I've been getting around about 5 minutes, so it's pretty close, but I have been flying it rather aggressively around my office. So some of the functions that you get with the Holystone HS420 is a headless mode, and then you get a couple of autonomous modes which you can use, which are a flip mode. It will allow you to flip the drone in any direction, forward, side, or back. A spin mode, the drone will actually spin in a circle, and a circle mode, which the drone will actually begin to circle a center point. Now, the manual says that there are 2 ways of taking off with this drone. One of them is to hit the launch button or land button on the controller, or you can actually toss the Holystone HS420 in the air and it will hover in place. But there's another way of taking off. If you start your propellers turning by pushing up on the left control stick, once you press up again, it will launch at that point into the air. So there's a couple of tips with the Holystone HS420 that I wanted to share with you so that you get the best flight experience. And the first one is you want to calibrate the drone's gyro every time you get ready to take off. There are instructions in the instruction manual on page 15 to tell you how to do that. Also, once you take off, you want to take time to adjust the trim, which you can do from the remote. In page 17 of the instruction manual, we'll share with you how to do that as well. I would say always start off with the drone in a slow speed, because it does have 2 speed modes, which we'll talk about in a few minutes. So start off slow so you can get used to the way the drone functions and how you need to use the controls in order to get the drone to do what you want it to do. And lastly, put your mobile device in airplane mode and just turn the Wi-Fi on so that you can connect to the drone in the app. So let's take a look at the Holystone HS420 drone and remote. First of all, you have the camera. The camera has a resolution of 1280 by 720, and the max transmission range of your video back to your mobile device is 98 feet or 30 meters. The live view quality that's coming back into your mobile device is 720p, and it will take photos in JPEG and video in MP4. Then you have 4 brushed motors and, of course, a full set of 4 propellers. On the back, you have a power switch, which will do a long press to turn on. And then on the bottom, you have the battery bay where the drone battery will sit. Then the battery installation on this little guy is very easy. All you have to do is flip it over on the bottom. You take your battery, you press it down in the little battery compartment there and slide it forward toward the camera. In order to take it off, you'll just do the same thing, slide it back and then lift up on it and it comes off. It's very easy to install. On the remote, you have a phone holder here at the top, a power switch in the middle, the speed switch, which is low and high. Then you have the photo video record button. Tap the photo video button, it will take a photo. If you long press, it will start the recording. Long press again, it will stop the recording. Then you have an auto function button here for circle and rotate, the headless mode button, and or the trimmer button. You have the 1 key takeoff and landing button, which is also the emergency stop button if you long press it. On the back of the controller, you have the battery compartment and of course your battery cover for 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. So the default mode for the controller for the HS420 is mode 2. And that is the same for most drones. But you can change it over to mode 1 by long pressing the trimmer button while you turn on the transmitter. But as I tell anyone who is a beginner, always leave all of your settings on your controller, the default settings as they come out of the box. It will be easier for you to get used to the adjusted changes once you've gotten more proficient at flying your drone. Now, the batteries that come with the Holystone HS420 are 1-cell batteries, and they are LiPo batteries. So you do not want to allow them to maintain at a full charge, nor do you want to run them down to 0. Anytime the HS420 gives you an indication, which it will, on your screen, and the controller will make an audible noise telling you that you need to land, go ahead and land the drone immediately. Change your battery out, put another one in, reconnect or rebind your drone to the controller, calibrate your gyro, and you should be ready to enjoy another flight experience. So that's the Holystone HS420. Absolutely fantastic little drone. I'm enjoying flying this. I've had a ball running into stuff here in my office, and I'm going to keep on having a ball with it. If you really want to find out if the drone hobby is something that you want to get into, then the Holystone HS420 is a fantastic little device for you to start off with, because again, it's a very inexpensive drone and it's extremely durable and very forgiving. I truly hope this helped you in some way. If it did, let me know down in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you, hear what your thoughts are on the Holystone HS420. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you again in the next video.